Yes, you heard that right. The quiet exit of around 92,000 CA intermediate or CA foundation students had already begun for the upcoming September 26 ICI examinations. You know what? All of us feel that CA results are going to be decided on that results day. Many of us feel that CA results would be decided when that ICI evaluator checks my answer sheets. Many of us feels that my result I would predict once I give that examination paper. Well, none of this is true. After mentoring over 25,000 plus CA students, I have realized this, that actual CA results are going to be decided today and in the next 45 days from now onwards. You know, nobody wakes up one fine day thinking that I'm going to fail in the upcoming examinations. It is the result of tiny little habits and tiny little actions which every CA student takes. You know, for example, student skips today's target, which gets converted to backlog. Then tomorrow he watches 2-3 hours of strategy videos and makes a fresh timetable. Then he thinks that today's target I will compensate tomorrow. You never know when this tomorrow converts to next week, when that next week converts to panic, and when that panic converts to regret. And then that lands up to an unsuccessful result. You know, on that piece of paper, we know that 1 lakh students are going to give the upcoming attempt, whereas 92,000 students are not even in the race. These are the students who are giving excuses. These are the students who are thinking I'll start from tomorrow. These are the students who are waiting for some motivation. But there are 8,000 students who know this one thing, that tiny habits are going to compound into huge consequences. For example, if I don't give one mock today, this is going to cause me confidence issue in the examination. If I ignore this one difficult chapter today, this is going to cause me struggle with that compulsory question in the examination hall. If I don't revise today, I won't be able to retain and put up the answer in that examination hall properly. If I don't utilize this one next hour, high chances that I lose out on my momentum for the next 45 days. It is these students who realize that tiny habits are going to compound to huge consequences are the ones who are going to clear the upcoming examinations. In fact, they are the only ones competing with each other, not the rest of the 92,000 students. You know what? For the next 45 days, the good news is you can change this story. You just have to ask yourself, in the 45 days from now onwards, do I want to turn back and say, I have given everything I could, everything I possibly could in the last 45 days and I don't have any regret? Or do you want to turn back and say, I wish I would have given my 100% in the last 45 days? What ending do you choose to write? Comment that in the comment section below. And if you need any guidance from my side, my one-to-one personal mentorship program is going on, jahan pe I personally call you, I personally take follow-up from you, I personally schedule your test, I give you detailed test series, around 7 tests per subject, along with the evaluation. There are no hired professionals here. Student is in touch with me throughout till the end of very examinations. Description box mein I'm giving the details. And if you need any precise guidance on how to clear CA intermediate, CA foundation examinations with just limited time left in the last 30 to 40 days. My last month workshop is also going to begin soon. All the details I'm sharing with you in the description box below. But before that, you have to be serious and you have to start studying. Just open those books and start studying. In fact, comment in the comment section below. I am starting my studies from now onwards, and for the next 45 days, I'm going to be unstoppable. Come, let's kill it in the upcoming attempt. All the very best. Bye bye. Take care.